wake up in the middle of the night, heart pounding, drenched in sweat. You don't know why. Everything around you is still. The world is asleep. But inside your mind, there's a storm. Thoughts race, regrets from yesterday, worries about tomorrow, whispers of self-doubt that creep into every quiet moment. They pile up like clutter in a forgotten room, suffocating, chaotic. No space to breathe, no peace. You tell yourself it's normal, that it's just life. But deep down, you know, you're drowning. And the weight you carry, it's not the world. It's the mess inside your own head. It's time to clean house. Today, you're not just organizing your thoughts. You're about to Marie Kondo your mind. But this isn't just tidying up. This is war. A war against every toxic belief, every lingering regret, every voice that ever told you you're not enough. And by the end of this, you will not only let go of what's holding you back, you will reclaim the power that was always yours. Imagine walking into a hoarder's house. Every inch of space is packed. Old newspapers, broken furniture, useless junk from years ago. It smells stale. It's suffocating. You can barely move. Now, what if I told you this is your mind? Every negative thought, every past failure, every doubt you've ever clung to, it's clutter. And like a hoarder who refuses to throw things away, you keep holding on. But here's the truth. Most of these thoughts do not serve you, yet you keep them. Why? Because you've convinced yourself they belong to you, that the guilt makes you responsible, that the self-doubt keeps you humble, that the fear keeps you safe. Lies. You are not your past mistakes. You are not your failures. You are not the negative voices in your head. It's time to open your eyes, to see the clutter for what it really is. Nothing but excess baggage keeping you from moving forward. And once you see it, you can destroy it. Marie Kondo has a simple rule for decluttering. Hold an item in your hands. Ask yourself, does this spark joy? If not, thank it for its service and let it go. Now we apply this to your thoughts. Hold each thought. That memory of when you failed, hold it. Does it serve you? Or is it just pain that keeps replaying itself? That belief that you're not good enough? Hold it. Is it true? Or is it just a lie you've carried for too long? That fear of what others think? Hold it. Will it ever help you? Or is it only stopping you from becoming who you're meant to be? One by one, confront them. And if they do not serve you, release them. But don't just erase them. Thank them. Because every thought, even the toxic ones, once served a purpose. Fear tried to protect you. Self-doubt tried to prepare you. Regret tried to teach you. But you are no longer that person. And these thoughts, they no longer serve you. Say goodbye and let them go. Now, the space in your mind is clear, empty. But an empty space is dangerous because if you don't fill it with strength, it will fill itself with negativity again. So now, we rebuild. Every toxic thought you removed, replace it. Where there was fear, place courage. Where there was self-doubt, place confidence. Where there was guilt, place forgiveness. Your mind is a garden. You can either let weeds grow unchecked, or you can plant the seeds of discipline, power, and self-belief. And here's the secret. You choose what stays. From this moment on, you do not let a single toxic thought live in your mind rent-free. If it does not serve you, it does not belong. Look around. The storm is gone. The chaos has cleared. The weight is lifted. This is your mind now. A kingdom where only powerful thoughts belong. A place where focus, clarity, and strength rule. From this day forward, you guard this space, ruthlessly. Because your mind is the foundation of everything you will ever do, ever achieve, ever become. And now, finally, it is yours to command. Now go. Building, create, conquer. The world is waiting.